Hello. In this video we'll talk about general formulas. In organic chemistry, each family, such as alkanes, alkenes, alkynes or alcohols, can be represented with a general formula. So this is a formula which represents the whole family. In this video we are going to derive the general formulas of these four families. But before that, let's remember what these compounds were. Alkanes were the compounds containing hydrocarbons containing only single bonds. Alkenes were the ones which contain a double bond. Alkynes were containing a triple bond. And alcohols were containing an OH group. Let's start with the alkanes. So the first member of alkanes is this one, CH4. The second member contains two carbon atoms. It is C2H6. The third member of the family is going to be this one, C3H8. Let's try to find the relationship between the number of carbons and number of hydrogens. So, if we have n carbon atoms, number of hydrogens will be 2n, so 2 times bigger than that. Number of carbons is 2, 2 times 2 is going to be 4, plus 2 it's going to be 6. So, let's check in here. Number of carbons is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 it's going to be 8. So the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. What about alkenes? To find the general formulas of alkenes, let's have a look at the alkane. This is my alkane, C2H6. In order to get an alkene from an alkane, what you need to do is to remove one hydrogen from here and one hydrogen from here, and you connect them like this. Now I have an alkene. What I did was I removed two hydrogen atoms. So in all the cases, number of hydrogens in an alkene will be 2 less than number of hydrogens in alkanes. So if the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, the general formula of alkenes will be CnH2n. Now, let's try to get the general formula of alkynes from the general formula of alkenes. This is my alkene, and I want to make an alkyne out of that. To do so, you need to have a triple bond in here. Now I'm taking one hydrogen from here to make a triple bond, and I'm taking one hydrogen from here, and then what I get is this molecule with a triple bond. This is my alkyne. How did I get it? I get it from an alkene. What did I do? I took two hydrogens out. So this is going to be the case all the time. So if the general formula of alkenes is CnH2n, alkynes will contain 2 less hydrogens, minus 2. And finally, alcohols. In the structure of alcohols, we need to have an OH group. We can get alcohols from an alkene by addition of this OH group. But in order to add this OH group in here, you need to remove one hydrogen. So I am removing one hydrogen from an alkane, and I am adding one OH group. So what was the general formula of alkanes? It was CnH2n plus 2. How did I get this alcohol? I took one hydrogen out, so it's going to become CnH2n plus 1 instead of 2. And what did I add here? OH group. So this one. If you'd like to write an alkane, alkene, alkyne and alcohol with 4 carbon atoms, let's say, you can easily write by using these formulas. Alkane with 4 carbon atoms is C4H, let me think, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 it is 10. Alkene with 4 carbon atoms is C4. Number of hydrogens is 2 times 4, it is 8. Then, alkyne with 4 carbon atoms is C4. 2 times 4, it is 8, minus 2, it is 6. And alcohol with 4 carbon atoms is C4. Number of hydrogens will be 2n will be 2 times 4, 8 plus 1 is going to be 9, H9, and I'll add an OH group here, OH. So here we have the general formulas of 4 different families. See you in the next video. Goodbye.